Rainy days when I first saw you. It was magical, yet so painful. Those trees were so green, but it seems like they're crying. It was in the last day of August, yet it feels like yesterday. Do you know that it was my first tears I shed for someone who's not blood related to me? And you were that someone. I've been hiding for a long time. I misses you sometimes, I admit it. You were just like the rain. Someone who just passed by me. When it stops, it will just gone. I wanted peace, so I let you go. I still like you until now. I've been writing about you right now. I still like you, but not the old way. I still like you. I just like to see you again, even you're with your new life. It must be peace after that rain.
Sometimes